Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix security update for Windows 10 version 22H2. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type reagency /info. Windows recovery environment is enabled. Disable Windows recovery environment. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list part. First select primary partition, type select part 3. Type shrink desired equal to 250 minimum equal to 250. Type list part. Now select recovery partition, select part 4. Type delete part override. Recovery partition is deleted. Type create part primary ID equal to, paste from description. Type GPT attributes equal to, paste from description. List part. Format quick fs equal to ntfs label equal to Windows RE tools. Enable recovery environment. Exit and update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.